In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an offline video into a Word document. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so even if you're not very familiar with Word, you'll be able to follow along easily. By offline video, I mean a video file that's already saved on your computer, like an MP4 or a similar format, not something that's streamed from the internet. First, make sure you have your Word document open, and that you know exactly where your video file is saved on your computer. It helps to keep the video in an easy-to-find folder, like your desktop or documents, so you don't waste time searching for it. In your Word document, click once in the exact spot where you want the video to appear. This could be under a heading, between paragraphs, or on a new blank line. Placing the cursor correctly now will save you from having to move the video around too much later. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Word and look for the Insert tab. Click on Insert. This is where Word keeps all the tools for adding different kinds of content, like pictures, shapes, charts, and of course, media files such as videos. Depending on your version of Word, you'll either see an option called Online Video or an option under Media that lets you insert video from your PC. What we want is the option that allows you to choose a file stored on your computer. Go ahead and choose the option to insert video from your device or from your PC. A file browser window will pop up. Use this window to navigate to the folder where your offline video is saved. Once you find the video file you want to use, click on it to select it, and then click Insert or Open, depending on what your version of Word shows. Word will now place the video directly into your document at the cursor location. You should see a still image or a video frame, usually with a play button overlay. You can click and drag the corners of the video to resize it if it looks too large or too small. Try to keep it at a size that makes sense for the page layout and doesn't push your text into awkward positions. Finally, save your document to make sure the embedded video is stored with it. Remember that adding video can increase the file size, so give it a moment to save. Once that's done, your offline video is successfully inserted into your Word document and ready to play.